Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Prakasham Joshi, presently working as an associate professor at SS Mehta Arts and MM Patel Commerce College, Himatnagar, affiliated to North Gujarat University, Patan. My email is pm_joshi2000@yahoo.com. Friends, today's topic is, I would like to make you guess what would be today's topic by giving you a picture. Guess, friends. Okay, I think you are quite right in your guessing. Today's topic is skills for facing interview. Friends, facing an interview is always a tough part in job seeking process. Every job seeker finds it very difficult to face interview due to lack of confidence and nervousness. By using your self confidence, common sense ideals, you can improve your interview skills. The interview tips which we are going to discuss in today's lecture will also be very helpful to you in developing skills for facing an interview. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss what is an interview, types of interview, aims and objectives of interview, how to face interview confidently, general tips for preparing the interview, useful tips for interview, at the time of interview, body language and appearance, language suitable for interview, do's and don'ts of the interview, and many more things. First of all, we would like to understand what an interview is. Friends, the meaning of what interview is a formal face-to-face meeting. It is a structured meeting between two or more people for the purpose of getting a view of each other or understanding each other. In interviews, questions are asked by the interviewers to the interviewee to judge his knowledge, experience, skills, etc. A candidate seeking job, you can see how the interview is held. So, the interview can be either between two or more people, or it can be between two people, or it can be between two or more people. A candidate seeking job is interviewed by the interviewers in order to assess and determine his or her suitability for each other or for knowing each other. It is a type of conversation between two or more people where questions are asked by the interviewers to obtain information about the interviewee. The candidate is tested for subject knowledge, skills and desired behavior in a limited time. This way, interview is a two-way communication because the aim of the employer as well as the candidate is to know each other in the interview. You can see how the interview is a two-way process. Interviewer is the person who asks the question to obtain information, and interviewee is one who gives information in the form of answers to the questions asked by the interviewer. Generally, interviews are for the purpose of selecting a candidate for certain job. But apart from that, there are several other aims of interviews. As such, there are various types of interviews. There is an appraisal interview to assess the performance of an employee, grievance interview to learn about the employees' complaints, exit interview with the employees when they are leaving the company, reprimand interview with the employee on some disciplinary grounds. Of course, we will concentrate chiefly on job interviews today, as it will be more helpful and it will provide more practical help in facing an interview successfully. In job interview, the employer's aim is to know if the applicant is suitable or not, whether the applicant can be of service to his company or not. In the same way, the applicant's aim is to find out the suitability of the job. We may say the chief aim of the interview is thus clear, and it is gathering relevant data about a candidate. For evaluation and selection of a candidate, there are several methods or tools which can be used, such as face-to-face conversation, group discussion, written test, oral presentations, telephonic talk, video conferencing between a candidate and the selection committee, panel interview. Nowadays, online interviews with the help of internet, through the medium of internet, are also being held, as today the interview process has become technological. Of course, the experts do believe that panel interview is the best method to judge the candidate, to evaluate his experience, his knowledge, his performance, etc. Now, if we see the panel interview, then in panel interview, organization wants to judge and assess how the candidate communicates with others, how the candidate interacts with different people. Candidate can communicate and interact with one or two persons, with his friends in an easygoing manner. But if he can communicate with different people, he can interact with different people easily or not, the skills and abilities that the candidate has, all these things are to be assessed in panel interview. That is why experts believe that panel interview is the best method of judging the candidate. You can see how the panel interview is held with the help of a picture. It can be conducted by a group of interviewers that is made up of supervisors, managers, chief executive officers. Of course, in academic institutions, the group of interviewers may be made up of principal, subject experts, trustees, government member, executives, and so on. Candidate is asked different questions from all the group of members in panel interview. Now, how to face interview? This is very important. Interview is an important event that could lead you to your dream job, career. Sometimes it so happens that candidates feel stressed thinking about job interview. But I would like to suggest not to worry about the interview. Don't worry too much about the interview. Otherwise, it will make you more nervous. It will hamper your performance. And extreme anxiety and nervousness can make you tongue-tied or say wrong things. Tell yourself that it is just an interview. Otherwise, you will fail to perform your real potential. So do not put too much pressure on yourself by thinking about the importance of interview. Tell yourself that you will be fine, whatever be the outcome. So don't worry about success or failure. Instead of it, concentrate on doing your best, on your best performance. Retain positive importance, retain positive approach during the interview. Also, do remember that the interviewers are not monsters and they are not there to kill, they are not there to terrify you. The candidate should go with a positive mind, broad outlook for an interview. You should also control his negative impulses. If you keep all that in mind, you will find yourself a lot more relaxed and confident. Self confidence is of utmost importance for an interview. It is the key to a successful interview. Interview can be a pleasing experience if you think it as an opportunity to display your abilities and skills. So think it as an opportunity to meet face to face, to discuss your qualifications, to assess your abilities, to demonstrate your skills and personalities. Preparing for interview. Before the actual interview process, preparation is very important. In any event, before that actual event, preparation is significant. So first of all, know the organization or company where you have applied. Do some research on organization. Learn as much as you can about the interviewing organization. You should have a clear picture about the company's profile and the nature of the job in detail for which you have applied. Learn as much as you can about the concerned departments and the position you have applied for. Read about the company from several sources. Go to the company's website and read about their vision, mission, strategy, their future prospects, their financial departments, etc. Read whatever you can from several sources. Also find out from available sources the company's activities, its growth over the years, previous turnover of the company, its main products, its future prospects, etc. This information will help the candidate in answering the questions very easily. It will also create a good impression on the mind of the interviewers. Once you have this information about the company or organization, evaluate your own knowledge. Make a list of your skills, strengths, abilities you have and think about how you qualify for the opportunity. Ensure that you are a good fit for the position, you are a good fit for the organization, you are well prepared for the interview. Also, you are enthusiastic about the organization, you are desirous for the job. Be clear about your personality, your likes and dislikes, your abilities, your interest, etc. Express your accomplishments if possible in the interview process. It is very much required on the part of the interviewee to acquaint the interviewers with his achievements, because your selection can be based on your achievements. So it is recommended to express your achievements during the interview process. Appearance. Appearance counts everywhere. selection committee always observes appearance. Candidate's appearance is very important, and it gives positive or negative remarks about the interviewee. If candidate has the appropriate and perfect appearance, it is a plus point on the part of the candidate. So it is important to dress well and look presentable for interview. Of course, leave undue worries about your appearance. Otherwise, it will make you nervous, and you will quickly lose your self confidence. So plan well, simply plan well how you will look, how you will appear. Don't try a new haircut or new style. No spicy haircut like Virat Kohli or other celebrities. But do get a haircut before a week before interview. Makeup and jewelry, if one, should be moderate. Heavy jewelry like chains, bracelets, etc. should be avoided. Candidate should prepare himself and make himself presentable for interview. Of course, candidate has to dress well for job interviews, dress comfortably and suitably for the occasion. Formal clothing should be preferred. Plan ahead so that you don't have to scramble at the last minute what to wear. Don't wear anything too flashy. Avoid wearing a new or unusual dress. Avoid wearing